Do you want to speed up WhatsApp voice message? You can speed up WhatsApp audio messages with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To speed up a WhatsApp voice message, first, open the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Once you are on WhatsApp, find and go to the chat conversation containing the voice message. You can increase the voice speed in either an individual chat or a group chat. Once you are on the chat conversation screen, find the audio message you want to speed up. Now, tap the play button to play the voice message. Once the message starts playing, you'll see a speed button, 1x, next to the audio. Now, just tap the speed button to increase the playback speed. You can increase it to 1.5x or 2x faster. Once you increase this setting, it will be applied to all voice messages.